Pretreatment is the foundation of coating quality. Choose wrong and everything is wasted. Shot blasting and spraying are essentially to pots, physical rust removal, and chemical degreasing. Shot blasting. High-speed shots remove scale and rust while creating surface roughness. Ideal for thick wall parts, cast steel, and structural parts. No wastewater, low environmental pressure. But shot blasting is ineffective on oil contamination, and thin parts deform easily. Solution: spray degreasing plus shot blasting combination. Degrease first, then remove rust. Spray. Chemicals sprayed onto the surface, removing oil and forming a phosphate-acetylene conversion film. Ideal for sheet metal and high-volume production. High efficiency, easy automation. But spraying has clear limitations. Chemicals cannot effectively reach complex internal cavities and corners. It is ineffective on heavy, thick rusts. Solution: spray plus dip combination. Spray for efficiency, dip for dead corners. For heavy rust, use dip with rust remover and extended immersion time. For thin parts, avoid shot blasting. Chemical dip is the preferred approach. ZhanYao matches the right pretreatment process to your workpiece characteristics. Complete line from pretreatment to curing. One integrated delivery.
ZHYAO. Together, we color the world.